private, secure and homely. 3 immediate words that jump to mind when trying to describe this property. Hi, I'm Trent Vivian, and if that sounds like something you've been looking for, then I look forward to showing you through 27A Fairlight Street in Mosman Park. Entry off the street and straight into your secure car park, you land yourself in the heart of the outdoor entertaining and the side entry of your home. Perfectly set up and ready to host your guests all year round, plus containing fantastic storage and reticulated gardens, plus this feature that you would never notice unless I showed you. Here is an outdoor hot and cold shower, perfectly tucked away, but amazing for when you come home from the beach. Entry through the main front door or the side French doors, you land yourself in the main living and dining area. I love the wooden floors as it gives this entire space a really great warm feeling. You then flow directly to a very nice modernised kitchen with plenty of storage, bench space and Bosch appliances. Next to the kitchen is a laundry and a handy downstairs toilet. Upstairs is the main living quarters featuring 3 generous sized bedrooms, all with inbuilt robes, 2 with their own split air conditioners and ceiling fans, plus the entire space gets lots of natural light. Oh, and even if you needed more storage, then you have this attic here with its own drop-down ladder. A lock and leave, low maintenance lifestyle awaits with the location benefits of 180 metres to the Berlin Cafe, 250 metres to the Mosman Park shopping centre, and of course 660 metres to the iconic Western Australian coastline. I look forward to showing you through shortly.